What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the review of this nail clipper. As you can see in this package right here. So guys, in the package we have two nail clippers, which one of them is basically taller than one. As you can see, we have different size. We have larger size right here, we have the smaller size right here. This is how it looks. You can see I love the stylish design right here. Put down this part right here, just like so. Then we can use it like so to clip our nails, and the material feels as if it's a aluminum built. The quality of the material feel really strong, and you can hear the clicking of it right here, and it cut really well. I'm gonna try this one as well. This one is smaller one, so this one you can use to cut like your toenails, and it cut really well, just like so. And it cut perfect. It's really sharp, and yeah, I'm basically loving it. There's a magnetism right here, so when you're not using it you can fold it like this, guys. Give it right into place. This one as well, you can just lock it like this with a magnet on it right here, so it locks, so it doesn't move around. Pretty sturdy. Lock onto the magnet right here, and yeah, it's really great. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful.